Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. Today we've got something from the United States. This was sent by my buddy Robert. He runs a website called dadbert.com. He's quite the chef and a good buddy of mine. Let's crack this open and have a look inside to see what's within. Alright, let's see what we got here. This one is a TTL variety from Taiwan. So Robert has a way, and it's pretty amazing, of finding instant noodles from anywhere in the world and figuring out how to get them into the US. And it's pretty darn cool. These are good ones. These have retort pouches, so they're full of meat. I don't remember which one this is. I guess we'll find out soon. Oh, look at that. Indomie real meat. This stuff is from Indonesia, and I've been wanting to try this for the longest time. Wow, this is so cool. Thanks, man. Yeah, I mean, he's like the noodle whisperer. I don't know how he does it, but yeah, real meat, Indomie in a box. That's super cool. And check this one out. Cup noodles souped up. What? There's no mention of this stuff on their website. There's no, I'm guessing he's living in a test market, because he mentioned he found these, and let's see what it says on the cup. Roasted chicken flavor. It looks like it's got a lot of roasted chicken in it. This is definitely new. That's for sure. And here's another one. This is the shrimp one. He sent a picture showing the shrimp that's actually in it, and they're of decent size, so really awesome. I can't wait to give these a try. Thanks, man. Next up, we have a zesty chicken variety of the souped up cup noodles. Yeah, these are in the new cups too. These are microwavable. In fact, I think that's the main. Yeah, you can do with boiling water, but it mentions first and foremost using a microwave. Showing lots of chicken in it, so that's kind of neat. And finally, we've got a cup noodles very veggie. This is a new one. That's so cool. I really love this series that they've got going on. And this is a soy sauce flavor, and it's vegetarian. It kind of just seemed to me, it's like, how can you have a veggie series and not have one that's meat-free? And well, they agreed apparently, because that's what this is. So I'm guessing this is gonna be kind of a shoyu very veggie variety. That's awesome. So yeah, holy cow, some domestics and some exotic ones. Dude, thank you so much. You should go check out dadbert.com. Robert makes some really interesting foods. He uses a lot of really neat techniques and stuff, so definitely go check it out. All right, well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.